Hey guys, hope you are doing well. The crypto market is back in green. So after just one day of consolidating and pulling back because this new EU rules, Bitcoin and the entire crypto market corrected. But now we are heading into the weekend with green charts. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated. So guys, nothing in this video can be considered as a financial advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. So always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research. And smash those like, push the bell and notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. It's important for the YouTube algorithm. So after smashing those like, let's bring it into the corner and let's go to our favorite bubble chart. You see Bitcoin is at 46,500, up 1.6%. Ethereum is back above 3,400, up with a bunch of 5%. And you see other altcoins like GMT, Cake, Aave, Maker, Near, SKL, ICX also pumping, and just few of them correcting. And I see many altcoins are breaking up, and I think we will close in green. Then we are heading into the weekend where we will see altcoins pumping, so that will be nice altcoin trade opportunity out there. Let's go and check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It is at 20, so not 20 but 50, so it is in the middle, in the neutral zone, just like yesterday and the day before. And after a fear period since November, the index came back to the neutral zone, and also we were in the greed zone for 1 or 2 days. So the sentiment is getting better, investors are getting back and they are buying back in. And I think someday after we will see a FOMO buy, but be sure not FOMO buy. So use these corrections and dips to increase your positions if you are sitting in stablecoins. Let's go and check our first news, analyst debate, Bitcoin's next step after today's 45,500 retest. So Bitcoin reached the 45,000 US dollar support level, also went a little bit lower and now bounced there. And if we are looking here, you see that the chart shows us that there is a clear resistance at this demand zone at 45,500 zone, and now it's acting as a support. So this resistance already flipped to support, so good to see that. This is not me being bearish, I'm just noticing 3 reasons why a little correction makes sense. Super trend is going flat, we probably will retest this breakout and we can bounce at the trend line. Good time for me to take profits. Okay, exponential moving average, 55-day and the 200-day and the 21-day. So you see these different exponential moving averages, and you see that Bitcoin is above all of them on the daily charts. Also we are above the 200-day moving average. Yes, it seems to be yes. Okay, cool. Let's go. All are potential support for Bitcoin, giving us a range of 42,000-45,000 US dollar. A necessary period of sideways consolidation. So a sideways consolidation is needed. That's happened in 2012, sidewaving, and now happening again after breaking out from this triangle. And in the next months, I believe that Bitcoin will move slow and steadily up like 2012, but altcoins will go nuts. So guys, I also expect a huge altcoin season. Huge altcoin season ahead us, and let's check these charts on the blockchaincenter.net, and you will see that altcoin seasons when altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. But now we have Bitcoin season, but buying altcoins the best time in Bitcoin season, because then they are cheap and they are not outperforming Bitcoin yet. So better to trade now in Bitcoin, but also just building some altcoins backs. So this is how I see. So definitely check out these charts. So let's go to our next news. That is why the market corrected yesterday. Crypto industry fires back after EU vote to block unhosted wallets. Imagine if the EU required your bank to report you to the authorities every time you paid your rent merely because the transactions was over 1,000 euros. So insane news. So the European Parliament voting in favor of regulatory package for tighter KYC and anti-money laundering rules for unhosted private wallets. So transactions greater than 1,000 euros or 1,100 US dollars would need to be reported to authorities. Imagine if the EU required your bank to report you to the authorities every time you paid your rent merely because the transactions was over 1,000 euros, or if you sent money to your cousin to help with groceries, the EU required your bank to collect and verify private information about your cousin before allowing you to send the funds. So guys, this is insane. So I don't know who is sitting in the parliament of the European Union, but guys, don't let politics make decisions in innovation and technology, and especially in financial and economic things, because this is quite so this is pulling back the European Union. A new regulation was just voted at the paves the way for a massive surveillance regime over Europe financial landscape. So guys, this is introduction unfeasible wallet verification requirements and unjustifiable reporting requirements for crypto companies that would have massively detrimental effects for EU citizens and companies alike. So guys, we are living in the EU, maybe we should move somewhere else if this will happen, and all crypto talents will leave the EU if this will continue. So almost the same news. So that was a 5% pullback because that came out yesterday, and 100 euros using self-hosted wallets before facilitating the transactions. So the transactions, not the wallet amount, but the transaction amount. Okay, and let's quote. There is a spokesperson, Markus Ferber. We need to take AML risk in crypto seriously, but shouldn't ban unhosted wallets. This would be the equivalent of banning cash, unnecessary and disproportionate. Such proposals are neither warranted nor proportionate. With this approach of regulating new technologies, the European Union will fail further behind other more open-minded jurisdictions. So guys, the European Union just will lagging behind other nations, especially Asian nations, the US and other like Switzerland, Liechtenstein, and other non-EU nations. So guys, politicians, crazy. So Bank of Japan officials calls for G7 nations to adopt common crypto regulation. Guys, but don't ask the EU, please Japan, don't ask the European Union about this, don't ask them. Okay, but Japan understands crypto because Bitcoin is accepted currency for a while now in Japan, and other cryptos are really regulated well. So we consider it important to prepare thoroughly the response to changes in circumstances in an appropriate manner from the viewpoint of ensuring the stability and efficiency of the overall payment and settlement systems. So yeah, at least Japan knows what they want, and also they are calling the G7s to create an individual global settlement system, and also they are preparing their CBDCs. So Japan wants to regulate crypto because they are preparing their CBDCs. And guys, all the countries that working on some crypto regulations, be sure that they are preparing their CBDCs, and that is why they want to regulate crypto first. G7s, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, the United Kingdom, and the United States. Cool. Next piece of news is Michael Saylor. Financial markets are not quite ready for Bitcoin bonds. So this is according to El Salvador's Bitcoin bonds. Okay, so what else? So MicroStrategy just took out a 205 million loan, Bitcoin collateralized loan with Silvergate Bank, and purchased more Bitcoin. So I think maybe Michael Saylor bought the dip yesterday and today. That's a hybrid sovereign debt instrument as opposed to a pure Bitcoin treasury play. That has its own credit risk and has nothing to do with the Bitcoin risk itself entirely. But New York can issue 2 billion of debt and buy 2 billion worth of Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is yielding 50% or more, the debts cost 2% or less. So hope the mayor of New York City is listening, is watching my video, and then they will pull out this loan because Michael Saylor is suggesting it. Okay, so since the initial 150 million US dollar BTC investment in August 2021, now MicroStrategy is a series of separate Bitcoin purchases and holding almost 5.5 billion US dollar worth of Bitcoin. So this is huge. Let's go and check our next news. Crypto analyst says Bitcoin and Ethereum rally is not over. Here are his targets. Okay, so who is that? Pantoshi. I like Pantoshi, nice guy. And okay, Pantoshi says there could be a possible rise to 53,000 depending on when big players like Terra Luna co-founder Do Kwon decides to buy more BTC. For now, should expect yearly open and purple box to act as support. Potential small pullback as Luna Foundation guard and Do Kwon appear to be away from keyboard from the green bottom. Looking for continuation to 53,000 US dollar during the next rally for BTC. So now testing the yearly open, and also we went a little bit lower at 45,000 US dollar, and then he expects to visit 22,000 US dollar. Okay. So what else? Ethereum personally believe it's a bullish hack, seeing as the Ethereum was sent to FTX. Think 36 US dollar XX coming within days, so 3,600 US dollar coming within days. So if others said that 3,600 US dollars. Okay, moving forward and push it in is the past. Cool. So this is the Ethereum chart. Also Ethereum just pulled back to 3,250 and now is back again about 3,400. So on the first one, everyone said it wouldn't affect price because not. Lol. The second one also think means price will go down for BTC. Now you have both buying this week shortly, and people first thought is to continue shorting into it instead of going with the flow. Okay, this is from Do Kwon. My boy Do Kwon, about 1.2 billion worth of BTC to their reserves, I would guess, starting next week. Cool. Guys, let's go and check our next news. Crypto billionaire Do Kwon says Terra Luna plans on being the biggest Bitcoin hodler in the world other than Satoshi. Cool. Terra's goal is to be the largest decentralized money in crypto, period. Its goal is not to be the largest stablecoin in the Terra blockchain, so we are sort of expanding into, let's say, the Solana ecosystem, Avalanche, Ethereum, Polygon. We plan to be everywhere where there are developers and users. So this is insane because it's a decentralized stablecoin backed by Luna and backed by Bitcoin, and now they are moving to other chains. So I think this is huge, and that is why UST is much bigger than DAI, the first decentralized stablecoin. Another thing is different from growing stablecoin demand in the Terra ecosystem itself, where trust is UST is extremely high. when you go to expand into these different ecosystems, that Fate is Luna's collateral fitness is a lot less than what it is like in Terra ecosystem. But if you have Bitcoin as collateral, then nobody really questions it because it is in the apex. I think if we scaled out to 10 billion US dollar, the reason I want to get to 10 billion is that besides Satoshi, we will be the largest single holder of Bitcoin in the world. So guys, insane. They will push the price up, definitely. Watch this video. I like this guy. He's from Hong Kong or South Korea? Maybe South Korea. Guys, let's go. And yes, next news, hold my bear. Terra already up 165 million US dollar from buying Bitcoin as BTC stashed near Tesla's. Terra co-founder rejects ID. LFG moved BTC price. LFG Luna Foundation guard. Since mid-March, buying has accelerated and it's just a few short weeks. Luna Foundation's balance has passed 30,000 Bitcoin. 30,000. An answer to Peter Schiff: if I was capable of moving BTC, it would not be fit as a reserve asset. Fortunately, Bitcoin is neutral. It cares not what I nor anyone else thinks, and it's mighty. Purchasing significant amounts of Bitcoin creates information asymmetry between insiders. If I was capable of moving BTC, it would be the first reserve assets. Terra to Tesla, hold my beer. So the biggest Bitcoin hodlers: MicroStrategy 125,000 BTC, Tesla 43,000 BTC, Terra Luna 30,000, Marathon Digital 8, Square 8. So Terra Luna will be the biggest. They will compete with Michael Saylor, MicroStrategy. Next piece of news is Visa launches mentorship program to support NFT creators. So guys, this is huge. Don't use this article to promote NFTs, and Visa is getting deep. So studying the NFT ecosystem and its potential impacts on the future of commerce, retail and social media through the Visa Creator Program, we want to have this new breed of small and micro businesses step into new medium for digital commerce. So Visa, you should definitely partnering with the Laserpunk gods, because we are developing an NFT marketplace with CorionX and Laserpunk gods. I think this NFT marketplace will have so many creators, so many artists to launch their NFTs, and we are definitely open for a partnership with Visa. Next piece of news is Samsung and Nifty Gateway launched the world's first smart TVs compatible with NFTs. So that was the news previously, that Samsung is building this smart TV with NFTs. With our mission in mind, we wouldn't be more excited to partner with Samsung to develop a groundbreaking NFT collecting experience. Their dedication to user experience and focus on the highest quality displays aligns perfectly with our vision to allow anyone anywhere to interact with their favorite creators. So this is huge. So Samsung is in NFTs. Next piece of news is Shiba Inu launches into the wider crypto metaverse with Shiba DEX, and Shiba sees mega upswing. So Shiba DEX is a decentralized exchanges on Shiba, and also Shiba is developing a layer 2 solution for Ethereum that making Ethereum more scalable. But as Ethereum is heading to Ethereum 2.0, I think that will be not a big deal. But the Shiba DEX is a bridge that links together all the Shiba Inu community tokens and top meme coins. It's also a bridge that links Shiba Inu to blockchain communities outside of the Shiba Inu sphere and into the wider crypto metaverse. So different networks like Binance, Parachain, Matic and others. Shiba price putting up a robust upsurge, so also the price movement looks pretty good. Next piece of news is, okay, we already got this news. So guys, let's go and check out our farms. Either you are holding ERC20 version of CorionX or Binance Smart Chain version of CorionX. Let's go and provide liquidity on Uniswap or on PancakeSwap and look up your LPs and earn up to 330% APRs. So guys, 330% APRs, insane. Also you can stake if you are holding ERC20 version CorionX, just staking the single tokens. So guys, let's go and check out our charts, and also definitely follow all our Twitters. So definitely follow laserpunk_gods. This is the NFT launchpad that we are building. So also follow us and share all the things, and you find the links here in the description. So let's go and join all our the bounty campaign maybe ended yesterday, but I think there will be the next bounty coming soon. Discord, website, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, YouTube. So follow everywhere, So guys, let's go, and yes, give a like. Solana is coming to the OpenSea. Give a like and push this further. So guys, let's go and check my Twitter feed. Follow me at MIKLOS and also follow at Corion platform and at laserpunk_gods. So what else do we have? Is Bitcoin market cycle theory still in play? So this is a chart that just expecting the Bitcoin in this cycle will reach 170,000 US dollar, and this is still in the cards. Crypto is still in the baby age. Very early adopters own crypto, and this is the chart that explaining that 300 million crypto owners. So I don't think that we are 300 million. I think somewhere between 100 and 200 million, and almost 5 billion people using internet, and just 5-6% of the total internet users using crypto. So we are in the very early adopters stage. Cool. Wow, 81% of the Bitcoin supply is in profit. According to this chart, 81% of the total supply is in profit. When Bitcoin reaching a new all-time high, then 100% is in profit. Solana is coming to OpenSea. We already talked about it, and we will see if CorionX and Laserpunks will use Solana or not. So this is the Bitcoin chart. As you see, we had this resistance block here that was previously resistance, but now acting as a support. And if I switching to the 4-hourly, then we see that there was a blue flag. This blue flag broke down to the downside, and at the bottom of this block, Bitcoin price bounced, and now we are above this, and it's acting like a resistance. And also we had this upward trending trend line that seems also supporting the price. So what about Bitcoin dominance? Bitcoin dominance is going down, and it's going down heavily. So this is why we think that altcoins will pumping, and in April and May a nice alt season, juicy alt season will just enter the market, and definitely look out for alts. And also we hope that CorionX will get more usability by Laserpunks, and then it will push CorionX usage as well. Ethereum, yes, so Ethereum also did a nice upward movement and reached this zone at 3,000, almost 500, corrected back, visited the 3,200 and bounced. So perfectly as predicted. We talked about maybe yesterday or previously that 3,200 is the next major support, and Ethereum bounced there. So guys, look out for other altcoins. I think Phantom also broke out, and this is really cool that we see altcoins also pumping further, breaking out. So good to see these charts moving to the upward, and that this is how the market shifts. And I think the total crypto that signaling total not this but total crypto. So this is the total 2 is crypto without Bitcoin. And guys, this is getting serious. Now we are here. The next levels 1.5 trillion and 1.7 trillion US dollar. So guys, smash those like, push the bell, notification, or subscribe to the channel. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your weekend. Happy weekend, and just look out for nice altcoin trades. Bye bye.